Hello and welcome to Grow Fresh Farm. I'm Aditi and today we are going to discuss different types of hydroponic systems and hydroponic growing media. If you have not seen the part 1 of Basics of Hydroponics, then do watch it. Please find the link in the description below. The first step to starting your first hydroponic garden is choosing a suitable system. There are many different types of hydroponic systems. Systems are categorized as recovery and non-recovery by whether the nutrients are reused in the system or not. We shall discuss them one by one in this video. Deep water culture or DWC is an active recovery hydroponic system. It works by hanging a net pot with plants held by a floating styrofoam or any other solid platform so that the roots are submerged with the nutrient solutions. Typically, DWC is used to grow short-term, non-fruiting crops such as leafy greens and herbs. Most hobby growers use deep water culture as it is one of the easiest method of growing vegetables. Nutrient film technique or NFT is a hydroponic technique wherein a very shallow stream of water containing all the dissolved nutrients required for plant growth is recirculated past the bare roots of plants in a watertight gully, also known as channels. A properly designed NFT system is based on using the right channel slope, the right flow rate, and the right channel length. The plant roots are exposed to adequate supplies of water, oxygen and nutrients. Most of the hobby growers and commercial farmers use NFT to grow leafy vegetables, herbs, and edible flowers. Ebb and flow, also known as flood and drain, is one of the most widely recognized hydroponics systems out there. It is intermediate level in difficulty, relatively low cost to set up, and extremely versatile. Ebb and flow method works by using a timer to set the pump to pull the nutrients from the reservoir to the grow tray or Dutch buckets periodically. After the nutrients surrounds plant's roots, it drains back to the system. This method is suitable for growing crops like tomatoes, chilies, cucumber, and many others. The next type of hydroponic system is drip irrigation method, which is similar to traditional soil farming, but the soil is replaced by other growing media such as cocopeat. In drip systems, growers use a timer to set the pump to draw the nutrient solutions through a network of drip lines. These drip lines will drop tiny amounts of water onto the plants. Probably, aeroponics is the most high-tech type among the previously discussed hydroponic system. In this type of system, plants hung in the air with a solid support, so no growing media are used. A timer controls the nutrient water pump to spray onto the root systems constantly. The spray cycle is quite quick because the roots are exposed to the air and need sufficient moisture. Due to the sensitivity of root systems, aeroponics is often combined with conventional hydroponics, which is used as an emergency crop saver, means a backup nutrition and water supply is used if the aeroponic apparatus fails. Now, we have seen different types of hydroponic system. It is time to decide which hydroponic system is suitable for you. For beginners, it's better to start with something easy first. We at Grow Fresh Farm recommend the passive system like of the deep water culture or irrigation method. It is easy to set up and is fairly affordable. For active systems, you can begin with ebb and flow and NFT as starters. We at Grow Fresh Farm provide customized kits and accessories to set up your own hydroponic farm. Do check out the links in the video description. Since we have covered different types of hydroponic systems, it is important that we discuss different hydroponic grow media as well. When the soils are eliminated, you need some materials to hold the plants as well as transmitting moisture, nutrients, and oxygen to the plant's roots. A growing medium does that job and help in mimicking the soil. When choosing a growing medium for your hydroponic system, Some of the great traits that you should take into account are good aeration and drainage capacity, pH neutral, and cost effective. If you want us to make a separate video on hydroponic growing medium and listing pros and cons of each, then do comment below. Do let us know if you have any further questions. If you enjoyed this video, then do like and comment below. For more such informative videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and see you next time.